Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. How do we make things glow? I'm going to show you how to make things glow, okay? We have this video, okay, and it's of this light. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to hold Alt and drag and make a copy just above it, okay? The bottom one, I'm going to toggle so you can't see it, okay? Because everything is going to be on that top layer. That's going to be all the effects we're going to use, okay? So, first thing we do, head into Luma key. Okay, once you found that, like any other effect, drag and drop it on that top clip. Okay, so now that that's done, head up into effect controls. Now you see threshold and cutoff. Ignore threshold. You want to adjust cutoff until it's only really the light sources you can see. Okay, so I think I'm going to leave that at maybe around that 90 mark for me, and this also makes sense as to why we've toggled that bottom clip off, so you can see this so much better. Okay, that's done. So now go into opacity, and where you see blend mode, you want to turn blend mode to pin light. Okay, now you can use different light versions for different effects, so feel free to experiment with that once I've got through the tutorial, but for the sake of showing you how to do it, pin light is what we're going to go with. Pin light is done. That's all we need to do for Luma key. Now, what we want to type in is Gaussian blur. Okay. Now drag and drop that onto your top clip. Head into Gaussian blur, and blurriness, let's just up that a little bit. Okay, up that to maybe 30. Now we toggle it so you can see that bottom clip. And let's adjust blurriness a little bit more actually, just so you can see. And you can see the more we put it, the more the light sources glow. Okay, and you see underneath as well, blur dimensions, horizontal and vertical. We can change them for different types. I think horizontal and vertical looks best, but that's how you add glow. It's that Ooh, I nearly swore then. It's that simple, boys. It is literally that simple. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.